come in, ma'am?
Yes, please come in.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please have your seat.
Thank you.
Can I have your resume?
Here.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. May I know your good name?
My name is Manushree.
Madhushri. Hi, I'm Manuswini. I'm from talent acquisition team of XYZ organization. So this is the round one for the role of software engineer that we are looking out for, and we find your profile a very promising one for our role. So I would like to have this round one. I'm excited to take it. So how are you feeling right now?
I'm fine.
Yeah. So where are you coming from?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay, fine. So this round will assist. I will assist the technical wise as well as the communicative side as well. So in that we can assess what is your level of education and your background, your family background if possible, and your technical background. What are the latest projects and all? We will dig deep. Okay. So to start with, why can't you introduce yourself?
Okay. I'm Manushree from Hyderabad. Have graduated from KL University in EC department with data computing specialization. Before that, I completed my diploma in Government Polytechnic College. Before that, I have done my schooling in Jyoti Vidyalaya High School. My skills are C Hash, ASP.NET, ADO.NET, MVC, Angular, Python, data science, etc. Using these skills, I have developed several projects, and one of these projects are music website development. Inside this music website, I have used HTML, CSS, ASP.NET, ADO.NET, and SQL Server. HTML and CSS used for the front end, and ASP, ADO, and SQL servers are used for the back end. Coming to my hobbies, I like to read books. And coming to my family background, my father name is K. Sudhakar and my mother name is K. Radha Devi, and I'm only child for them.
Oh, fine. That's impressive. So, as you have told, like you have been graduated from KL.
Yeah.
And what is the year of passed out?
I have passed out in 2023.
2023. Okay, fine. So from then you haven't taken any opportunity?
No. From then till now, I have took some courses which are related to data science and full stack development.
Okay, fine. So, if you get any opportunity to dive into data science other than full stack, so would you like to take that, or else like would you stick to full stack?
No, I'm open to both the opportunities now.
Okay, fine. So, you told that you have recently been taken this music development website developing.
Yeah.
So what are the tools, and can you explain about that project a bit?
As I said, I have used HTML, CSS for the front end, and ASP, ADO.NET, and SQL for the back end. SQL is basically used for the database, and ASP, ADO are used to connect the front end to the database.
Okay.
When the user inputs some information, it will directly store in the database.
Okay. Fine. So what is your role in that project?
Basically, I have developed the backend, and I also played as a team leader role in that.
Okay.
And I have motivated my team members in order to complete their work on time.
Okay, fine. So what is the ideal duration of this project?
We have worked on this project around for 1 month.
Okay, fine. So, what is your role? You said it is team leader.
Yeah.
So, in a corporate world, when you're looking up for a job, so are you a team player or are you a team leader?
As I'm applying for a fresher job, I think I'm good for a team player because team leader roles need more experience than I have now. So I'm comfortable with team player.
Okay, fine. So you said you are good in communication as you are a team leader in your recent project, right? So when it is like you need to explain certain tasks to your subordinates, how good are you at communicating a certain task when they are not able to understand it in a level of what you are expecting? So on a scale of 5, how can you rate yourself in communication, and how do you communicate to your subordinates about a task or a project?
Firstly, on a scale of 5, I rate myself as 3.5.
Okay.
And when I want to communicate with my subordinate, first I will let him understand the situation, and basically humans will understand pictorial ways more. So I'll make them understand in that way by showing them some videos related to the problem.
Okay, you're more comfortable with the pictorial representation when you're explaining. Fine, okay, impressive. So, when it comes to your technical skills, I want to let myself know about your understanding. So, can you let me know about the basic things like OOPS concepts?
OOPS is an important concept in every language. OOPS is basically used to implement code security, reusability, and readability in the code. So basically, OOPS is divided into 4 concepts. First one is encapsulation. It is used to ensure the code security. Second one is inheritance. It is used to maintain the code reusability in the code. And third one is polymerization. It is for the code reusability. And the fourth one is rate abstraction. It is used to hide the unwanted code from the user.
Okay, fine. So you didn't say about the full form of OOPS.
Object-oriented programming.
Great, fine. So just to test your basics, that's it.
Okay.
Because when you're strong at the basics, then only you can root up to the advanced level, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So can you let me know, like you do have .NET kind of language knowledge as well?
Yes.
And can you let me know, like .NET framework, whatever the things that you know in 5 to 10 sentences?
Actually, .NET framework divides into 5 topics. First one is C#, which is the very basic level, and the second one is ASP. It is mainly used for the backend. ADO, it is first SQL Server. It is used for the database, and then ADO. It is used to connect the front end to the backend with the ADO, and the next one is MVC. MVC will all wind up all these previous ones in it, and it will make easier to code in it.
Oh, fine. So the other two?
Sorry.
C# and...
The C# is a basic level. In order to simplify the C#, we have moved to ASP.NET.
ASP.NET, okay.
And in order to simplify the ASP.NET, we have moved to MVC.
MVC, okay, fine. So, okay, fine. Let's move on. So, is it coding better or SQL better in your view?
I think both of them has their own advantages. SQL is basically for the database, where we can store the user's information, and we can derive insights from. As I told that I have also completed my data science course. From the data science course, I have came to know that using the database information, we can derive some points which are helpful to the company, where customers are more attracted in the sales, in which type of sales customers are attracted. These type of information will be collected from the database. So database has its own advantages, but in order to derive the customer's information, we need to code. So both of them has their own importance.
Okay, fine. That's great. So when you said about the technical things, I wanted to even ask the con thing, that is like error handling.
Yeah.
So do you know about anything in error handling concept?
In error handling, there are basically 3 types. First one is arithmetic. Second one is sorry, at present I only know arithmetic handling. But in order to prevent these error handlings, we need to implement user error handling. In that we will implement three topics. First one is try, second one is catch, and the third one is finally. We implement the code in the try try method, and we will write the exception in the catch, and we write the final output in the finally block. When the try is not implementing, for example, if there is an error in the try block, catch will be implemented. Then finally, if there is no error in the try block, then try block will be implemented and the finally will be implemented.
Okay, that's lovely. So when it comes to like being having a lot of certificates that you have done from 23 to now. So if any learning opportunity comes to you in our organization, so for example, like let's take one scenario. There is one project and you need to be well versed with another kind of technology in .NET. So will you be ready to learn any kind of languages that is needed for the project, and do you have that mindset? Okay, I have learned this much, and I don't want any other learnings to be added up. So is that mindset? How do you change your mindset? And right now, what is your mindset? What is your mind telling about any kind of learning languages?
I am open to learn new technologies as it will increase my knowledge. Because of this learning, I have completed learning trust. I have completed data science courses as well as full stack courses.
Okay. So you're open to learning?
I am open to learning.
Okay, fine.